Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can import transactions in YNAB. So first, you just have to open your YNAB, and from here, just go ahead and tap on My Account. Once you tap on that one, you will see few menu in here, so you just have to tap on File, Import. So in here, you just have to tap on Choose File, and then you just have to select the file that you want to import on the YNAB. So let's say, for example, this transactions. I'm just going to click on this one and then tap on import. So here it shows that the file is successfully imported. So you just have to tap on OK. And then you will see it in here. So that's pretty much it. It's very quick and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.